What's up? Today I'm finally going to put a part on that I've had for over a year and I've been slacking off and not doing it, and it's something I really needed from the get-go. So we're going to get out there and get it done, so stay tuned. Yes, I've had these parts for about a year. They've been sitting on this shelf behind me the whole time, and I've been slacking off and not getting them on. I've really needed to do this for a while. It's the adjustable upper control arms for the rear. And I'm also going to experiment a little bit. I'm going to put some spacers on the struts, see if I can lift it up a little bit, because on occasion I do carry around my Grom and I don't want it squatting down too much when I'm traveling. So I'm going to put these on, see how much it lifts the rear end, and see if it looks alright, see if it handles the load okay. It's a temporary fix for a major problem. Hopefully it works as a band-aid until I get the money to get the coilovers on there, and maybe even a little bit of a lift. So let's get at it. Into a little hiccup. These studs aren't very long. I thought they were going to be just a little longer, and when you put the spacer on, not very many threads are left, and when you put it through the vehicle, it's probably not going to catch very many threads, so not enough for me to feel comfortable with anyways. So my original plan was just put new studs in it. Well, first problem is you got to pull these out. They come out with some persuasion. Then it exposes the stud. Then the spring's in the way of the stud. So what I gotta do now is go to AutoZone and get a spring compressor and go to the hardware store and get some new studs. Got the parts. Okay, so it got too hot for the camera, so it shut off on me and drained the battery really fast. So I went ahead and just finished up while I charged another battery. So everything's all tightened down. Only thing I got left to do is lower it down and check the alignment. I got a camber gauge for that. It's not the most accurate way of doing your camber, but it'll be close enough for now. I will eventually get a shot to do the alignment when I get some front end parts on. I think I'm going to need some new tie rod in soon, so I don't want to pay for an alignment then pay for another alignment later on. So I'll get these close and we'll see how it works. After I got done adjusting it last night, I realized I did it wrong and I had to go through and adjust it again, but I think I finally got it. So I set the camera to -1. I'm not sure how precise I was on it, but it looks a lot better than it did, and each side actually looks pretty similar. What I think I'll do is find a shop that does free alignment inspections and go see how close I got it. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. As far as the spacers in the rear, I'm on a slanted driveway, so it's hard to tell, but it is kind of slanted forward, but it isn't too bad. So I think once I put my everything in the vehicle, I'm also going to be putting my motorcycle on it, so it might level out.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't want to miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel stars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars.